Yo, what's up?
Hey man, what's going on?
Perfect landing, perfect stoppage. Hey guys, it's Matt from Melbourne Osteotherapies. I'm here with Ninja, known as Marcus, and we're training his forearms. And why is that?
Bloody ripped my hand the other day with a finger.
Took a rock climbing, Charles.
It's a bit of indoor bouldering.
Yep. Very nice,
Not conditioned. I was trying to catch, what do you call it? The rocks, the little nodules, knobbles, or whatever. What do you call them?
I was calling rocks, holds, whatever.
Holds.
But yeah, in rock climbing, obviously you got to use a lot of forearms and learn to use a lot of grip strength in your fingers. And Marcus, or Ninja, is not used to it, so fingers got a bit sore from the rip, and your hands were sore overall. Yeah. Yeah,
just tired and just different.
Yeah, new kind of
different stimulus on the body. So you've got to get conditioned, don't you?
So do you feel it more extensor or more flexor? More gripping.
Yeah, gripping.
More squeeze. Yeah, so you probably do the flexor.
Yeah.
This video is probably dedicated to my course that I'm making, because it's very upper body pull-up focused, and we tried to do some pull-ups after the rock climbing and didn't really have much left in the tank. Yeah, because you probably ran out of tickets.
Spent.
Yeah, spent. And if your hands aren't good and your grip's not good, then pull-ups are obviously going to be pretty cooked. I think you got about 3 and then you went,
yeah, it was done. 30-second hold.
Yeah.
Pretty poor, because I normally do 90 seconds.
Yeah.
With Leo, our cameraman here, pretty frequently. So yeah, I was cooked.
You got to get calluses like these.
Look at those calluses.
I've got a bit of wax on my hands, so you can't really tell. But
yeah, through the palm, in the middle, isn't it?
Yeah, everywhere. Yeah. The more you do, the more strength you have in your hands, deadlifts, pull-ups, everything, your hands just get so strong, and you can pull more weight and do better pull-ups if you've got strong hands and strong grip. When I've been working and my hands are super waxed up, if I've done pull-ups on the pull-up bar, I can tell like I've really got to try squeeze harder. Like it's hard, and my pull-ups aren't as good as they could be. But when I've got chalk on and my grip's really strong and I'm fresh, like oof, like the pull-up's going so high. I'll get my chest to the bar, belly button to the bar if I really rip it up. And that's why grip's pretty important. And I'd probably recommend, if you're getting into calisthenics, bodyweight training, or you're getting into my course that I've made, do rock climbing on the side. Get your hands strong. That's all you got to do. That's your homework.
Yeah. And just fingertips as well, isn't it? Like, there's times when you just got to have 1 or 2 fingers on a little bit of something you can grip onto, and
So with rock climbing, you got to learn to use your feet and use your core, use your glutes. You're having like quote unquote sex with the wall. That's what they say when you're so close to the wall, so you're making it effortless with your fingers. And imagine you're just hanging fingers only, then it'd be hard. But if you're using your core and your glutes, it does help take that load off. And that's the same with pull-ups too. You've got to use a lot of core with your pull-ups. There's so much core with pull-ups, which I emphasize a lot in my course. I reckon if I've done a pull-up workout, I've got DOMs in my abs. It's pretty wild. Have you ever experienced any of that?
DOMs in the abs, no.
No, that's the problem.
Oh yeah, I have actually, because I do with my kipping sort of style. Yeah, I use a lot of abs. Yeah,
probably.
And
yeah.
hip flexors.
Yeah.
So but just talking on bouldering. I find that you learn how to control your body. Like you were saying, keeping close to the wall, because when you're away from the wall, you can fall, and you just don't have that same sort of control and balance and things like that.
This is the wall, like this.
Yeah.
It's too much weight going that way, so it's going to be harder to hold on. But if you're,
right
hips close, everything's close, you're going to be pretty much magnet to the wall.
Yeah.
How do you feel your technique?
It's good. I was learning different things like pushing up underneath rocks.
Negative tension.
Yeah, and like keeping close as well. And I did this crossover where I had my right foot was on this little nodule thing, and I had to kind of cross my left leg, like I was here, and I had to cross it over to another thing over there. So I had to go through the gap but not move away from the wall. Yeah. So I was really happy with that. But also little hooks with my toes. I had to do that a couple of times. That wasn't any good at it, but it just sort of shows you that you can kind of pull up and push up and different things like that, just to keep yourself against the wall, and but it's all body control and mobility as well, like to really get your leg up high to another bit so you can push up with your legs. So it's sort of like
sometimes doing pistol squats.
Yeah,
on the
you
rocks.
can't, yeah. So they're like, you don't just use arm strength. Like your legs aren't just dangling. You know what I mean? It's sort of, you want to have your feet on something secure and be able to push up with your legs and stand up.
Yeah,
And
so that's probably something you're currently battling with, where you've got to learn to, like, your survival instincts are kicking in and you're like, oh, I've got to squeeze and tense my arms and everything, but you learn, hey, I can be relaxed and just lean and use the gravity going the opposite direction to help lean, and then you've got more endurance, and then you won't be as cooked afterwards at the end of the session.
That was one thing I was learning too, just hanging, like just sort of letting my arm go straight, because I was here trying to stay, and like you're getting fatigue in, and there's sort of that adrenaline running and things like that. If you can kind of just let it go and just hang there a bit, and it's just less energy, but you got to overcome that fear of just falling and hurting yourself from the fall. And
I always say people got to build a good relationship with the floor, the ground. No matter what happens, you got to make sure you know how to land like a cat or barrel roll when you need to, because things happen. You might fall, and that's why people are scared to fall as well and send it, because they do know ultimately if they do fall, they'll probably hurt themselves. So they got to make sure they know how to land.
Yeah.
I love rock climbing.
Do a bit of training, huh?
Yeah, rock climbing is great. Use your whole body.
But you're not there for the exercise, are you, Matty? Let's be honest.
What? Go on, Phil. What do you want to say, mate?
No, let's leave it at that. Leave it hanging. Well, let's change the subject a little bit since you're getting a little bit uncomfortable.
No.
Let's take it back to bodywork, and what you're doing here, mate, is you sort of the sauce.
The sauce, mate.
The sauce.
Tomato sauce.
The sauce, yeah.
The ketchup.
I suppose I'm the source of your the method and philosophy of the bodywork technique that you use, and you've been able to help a lot of people, man. You get some really good reviews, and I've always kind of said to you, man, that
you sound like it's being satirical right now.
No. This has been from the heart, mate.
Yeah.
From this side, left heart. He's
it's art, not
a bit of a clone. He sort of sticks to the principles, and he's very effective. And so, I need bodywork myself.
All this while my skates are on right now.
Yeah, look at that for skill.
Yeah, this is the service you could be getting if you book in with me, eh?
Yeah. So what I'm getting to is like mine and Matty's journey sort of started as he was a customer.
With my mum.
With your mum.
And
Matty and his mum. Come in and see me, and we started a good relationship, and still got a good relationship, I feel. And
with my mum.
With your mum. Of course.
No, it's been good. I
haven't seen your mum for a while.
All right, move on.
What's she doing?
I've been working here for like 5 years now. So it's been a while.
You're a young bloke. And so you're doing a massage, your remedial massage course at the time, I think.
Yeah.
And just said, fucking recruited this man, and took him through our training process. And
I was already barefoot as well.
Yeah, he was into barefoot before.
Into training Ninja Warrior, and your nickname was Ninja.
Yeah.
So
there was a connection there.
Yeah, a bit of common ground.
Yeah, but this bloke exemplifies this work, the barefoot and the method and philosophy. And so what I want to talk about is my course. Would you recommend? Yeah, my course this time. Come on, give me a go.
It's all about me.
You've had a couple of goes. Come on, you share the footy.
Yeah. Go have a shield.
Yeah, you've got to share the load. You can't have all the load.
Which
you don't
course
want to
are you
get
talking
too.
about?
The mentorship. Call it now. It's more of a mentorship. It started out just as a practitioner's course, and then we had all the 60 hours of footage, and it's whoever does the course has that footage for life, and can always look back on it. But what we feel is the best part of the course is the mentorship. So it's the tuning into the webinars. It's the one-on-one video consults we do if you're overseas. Who's that? You got
Not the first time for you.
Come in, mate. So it's the community that we've got. You've got a group of like-minded people that
Like this guy, he's coming through.
That really want to help people out.
Come to the toilet.
Yeah, this bloke just, we don't know him, he just comes to use our toilet. So, we're just nice people like that. We just let anyone use our dunnies. So, yeah. It's good. So we care and share, you know, we share our toilet and our toilet paper.
There you go.
Yeah.
Plenty. you a booking, or you just like...
Just drops his kids off at the pool and
Literally.
off he goes.
Nice.
But and I think young Matt here is a really good example of what you can achieve by sticking with our method and philosophies, and he does a lot of good work with chronic pain and kind of through the ninja community. He gets people in that are striving to be really good athletes, gymnasts and things like that, rock climbers. So
I love having clients who do gymnastics, rock climbing, or bodyweight training. It's a bit of a similarity with what I do. So if that's you, definitely I'd love to treat you. It'd be good.
Yeah.
Have some common ground, common treatment, similar treatment, I mean.
Yeah, and if you're a practitioner, or even if not a practitioner, you kind of you like the look of this work, it could be time to transition over to a new career, and start to do our course. Put your do a massage course. Get some formal qualifications. Ours will be way above that. It'll teach you how to be elite and fix things that other people can't fix. Many other practitioners before Matt have tried on different customers and they have failed, haven't been able to get anywhere, and he's able to help them out. So it's a really fulfilling and meaningful kind of occupation, isn't it? It's a career, and we don't feel like we work. We just sort of have fun, and it's just a joy to be able to help people out. So
do some treatments, make some videos, whatever.
Yeah,
it's good fun.
It's living life to the max.
Yeah,
doing a few pull-ups.
Yeah,
hanging off a bar.
You got to improve your pull-ups.
Yeah.
So stay tuned.
Reckon we can get it done?
Yeah, probably finish up there.
I reckon I've improved already. You want to fucking get out of here? What's going on?
I've got a real client to treat.
A real client? Oh, fuck. What am I? Chop liver? Chop a reed? Perish the thought. All right.
Call it there.
Yeah.
I'll,
forearms are feeling great, mate.
Skate off. Whoa.
Get going. Do a backflip, mate.
All right. And I'm dead. Cool. All right. You can say you're done.
Yeah. Like, subscribe, share the videos around. Get it done.
All right.